InfoScale Online Training. Introduction to InfoScale. InfoScale is a software suite from Veritas Technologies designed for high availability, disaster recovery, and data protection. It provides solutions to ensure business continuity by minimizing downtime and data loss. Here's a brief overview of its key components and features. Key components: Veritas InfoScale availability. High availability ensures that applications and services remain available by automatically detecting and recovering from failures. Cluster management manages the configuration and monitoring of clusters, enabling automatic failover and load balancing. Veritas InfoScale Enterprise. Disaster recovery provides tools for replication and recovery to protect against catastrophic failures. It includes features for managing replication between primary and secondary sites. Storage management offers capabilities for managing storage across different types of environments, including physical, virtual, and cloud storage. Veritas InfoScale Operations Manager. Centralized management provides a unified interface for monitoring and managing InfoScale components, simplifying administration and reducing operational complexity. Key features: application-level protection ensures continuous application availability by monitoring and managing applications at a granular level. Automated failover automatically detects failures and initiates failover processes to minimize downtime. Scalable architecture supports both small and large-scale environments, adapting to growing business needs. Cross-platform support compatible with various operating systems and virtualization platforms, including Windows, Linux, and VMware. Advanced reporting and analytics provides insights into system performance and availability, helping with proactive management and troubleshooting. Benefits: reduced downtime minimizes the impact of failures by providing automated failover and recovery capabilities. Increased resilience enhances the reliability and stability of critical applications and data. Simplified management streamlines administrative tasks through centralized management and automation. Key features and capabilities of InfoScale. Veritas InfoScale is a suite of software solutions designed to provide high availability, disaster recovery, and performance optimization for enterprise IT environments. Here are some key features and capabilities. 1. High availability. Application high availability ensures continuous operation of applications by detecting and recovering from failures. Clustered failover provides automatic failover to a standby node in case of a primary node failure, minimizing downtime. 2. Disaster recovery. Disaster recovery orchestration automates and orchestrates the recovery process to ensure quick and reliable recovery from catastrophic events. Replication supports synchronous and asynchronous replication to keep data synchronized between primary and secondary sites. 3. Performance optimization. Storage optimization includes features like intelligent caching and storage tiering to enhance performance and manage storage efficiently. Load balancing distributes workloads across multiple resources to optimize performance and avoid overloading any single component. 4. Data protection. Snapshot technology allows for the creation of point-in-time snapshots of data, which can be used for quick recovery or backups. Backup integration integrates with backup solutions to ensure data protection and facilitate recovery. 5. Scalability. Dynamic scaling supports scaling out and scaling up to accommodate growing workloads and resource requirements. 6. Monitoring and reporting. Health monitoring provides real-time monitoring of the health and performance of the environment. Reporting offers detailed reports and alerts on system performance, availability, and potential issues. 7. Management and automation. Centralized management provides a single pane of glass for managing all InfoScale components, simplifying administration. Automation automates routine tasks such as failover, load balancing, and capacity management to reduce administrative overhead. 8. Cloud and virtualization support. Cloud integration supports deployment in cloud environments and integrates with cloud-based disaster recovery solutions. Virtualization compatible with virtualized environments, enabling high availability and disaster recovery for virtual machines. 9. Security and compliance. Access control includes features for managing access and permissions to ensure data security. Compliance supports compliance with industry regulations by providing robust data protection and recovery capabilities. InfoScale Architecture Overview. InfoScale is a software suite from Veritas designed to ensure high availability, disaster recovery, and data management across various platforms. It is particularly well regarded for its capabilities in maintaining uptime and protecting critical applications and data in enterprise environments. Key components of InfoScale architecture. InfoScale availability. Purpose: provides high availability for critical applications by minimizing downtime through clustering. Architecture. Cluster nodes, multiple servers configured to work together, with one node actively running the application while others are in standby mode. Heartbeat, regular communication between nodes to detect failures. Failover, automatic transfer of application services from a failed node to a standby node. InfoScale storage. Purpose: manages and optimizes storage resources, ensuring data availability and performance. Architecture. Volume Manager handles disk management, including partitioning and logical volume management. File System provides features for high-performance file system operations. Dynamic Multipathing DMP ensures continuous access to storage devices by managing multiple paths. InfoScale Flex. Purpose: integrates with cloud and virtual environments to provide flexibility and scalability. Architecture. Cloud integration supports hybrid cloud deployments and cloud-based disaster recovery. Virtualization provides support for virtualized environments, ensuring high availability for virtual machines. InfoScale Disaster Recovery. Purpose: ensures data protection and recovery in the event of a disaster. Architecture. Replication uses synchronous and asynchronous replication to copy data to a remote site. Failback facilitates the restoration of services back to the primary site after a disaster. Benefits of InfoScale. High availability minimizes downtime through effective failover and clustering. Disaster recovery protects data and applications with robust replication and recovery features. Scalability adapts to various environments, including physical, virtual, and cloud. Performance optimizes storage and application performance through advanced management features. InfoScale for business continuity. Veritas InfoScale is a suite of products designed to ensure business continuity by providing high availability, disaster recovery, and storage management solutions. Here's a brief overview of its key features and components. 1. High availability. InfoScale availability ensures that applications and services remain available even during failures or maintenance. It provides automated failover and recovery across physical and virtual environments. Application monitoring continuously monitors application health and automatically triggers failover processes if an issue is detected. 2. Disaster recovery. InfoScale replication facilitates data replication between sites for disaster recovery. It includes both synchronous and asynchronous replication options to meet different recovery point objectives, RPOs, and recovery time objectives, RTOs. Failover testing allows for regular testing of failover processes without impacting the production environment, ensuring that disaster recovery plans are effective and up-to-date. 3. Storage management. InfoScale Storage Foundation provides advanced storage management features including dynamic disk management, volume management, and data tiering. It helps optimize storage utilization and performance. Data deduplication and compression reduces storage requirements and improves efficiency by eliminating duplicate data and compressing stored data. 4. Scalability and performance. Scalability supports large-scale environments, ensuring that business continuity solutions can grow with organizational needs. Performance optimization includes tools for monitoring and optimizing the performance of storage systems and applications. 5. Integration and compatibility. Multi-platform support compatible with a wide range of operating systems and virtual environments, including Windows, Linux, VMware, and Hyper-V. Cloud integration supports hybrid cloud environments, enabling seamless integration between on-premises and cloud resources. 6. Centralized management. Management Console provides a unified interface for managing and monitoring InfoScale solutions. It offers centralized control over high availability, disaster recovery, and storage management tasks. 7. Security and compliance. Data protection includes encryption and access controls to ensure data security and compliance with regulatory requirements. Audit trails maintains detailed logs of configuration changes and system activities for auditing and compliance purposes. Scalability and performance optimization in InfoScale. Scalability and performance optimization in Veritas InfoScale involve several key strategies and practices. InfoScale is designed to provide high availability, disaster recovery, and storage management, and optimizing its performance and scalability can help ensure that it meets your organization's needs effectively. Scalability in InfoScale. Cluster expansion. Add nodes, You can scale out by adding more nodes to the cluster. This allows InfoScale to handle increased loads and provide better fault tolerance. Storage expansion. Add more storage devices to the cluster as needed. InfoScale can dynamically manage the increased storage capacity. Load balancing. Distribute workloads. Distribute workloads across multiple nodes to balance the load and avoid bottlenecks. Flexible configuration. Dynamic configuration. Adjust configurations such as file systems and volumes on the fly without disrupting services. Performance optimization in InfoScale. Storage performance. Tune I/O performance. Use InfoScale's performance tuning features to optimize I/O performance, such as configuring stripping and caching. Disk group configuration. Properly configure disk groups and volume layout to optimize read-write operations. Memory and CPU utilization. Resource allocation. Ensure that InfoScale services have sufficient memory and CPU resources. Monitor and adjust allocation based on workload requirements. Network optimization. Network configuration. Optimize network settings for better performance, such as adjusting network interface parameters and ensuring low-latency connections between nodes. Monitoring and diagnostics. Performance monitoring. Use InfoScale's built-in monitoring tools to keep track of performance metrics and identify potential issues. Diagnostics tools. Leverage diagnostic tools to troubleshoot performance issues and fine-tune configurations. Load testing. Simulate workloads. Perform load testing to understand how InfoScale handles various workloads and adjust configurations accordingly. Regular updates. Apply patches. Regularly update InfoScale to benefit from performance improvements and bug fixes provided by Veritas. InfoScale for multi-cloud environments. InfoScale, a solution by Veritas Technologies, is designed to provide high availability and disaster recovery for enterprise applications. When applied to multi-cloud environments, InfoScale offers several key benefits and features. 1. Unified management. InfoScale provides a centralized management interface that simplifies the administration of high availability and disaster recovery across various cloud platforms. This helps in managing complex multi-cloud deployments more efficiently. 2. Cross-cloud failover and failback. InfoScale supports automatic failover and failback across different cloud environments. This ensures that applications remain available even if one cloud provider experiences an outage, and it simplifies the process of returning to the primary environment once it's operational. 3. Data replication. It includes capabilities for data replication between on-premises and multiple cloud environments. This ensures that data is synchronized and available across different cloud platforms, providing consistency and reducing the risk of data loss. 4. Scalability and flexibility. InfoScale is designed to scale with your needs, accommodating both small-scale and large-scale multi-cloud environments. It allows you to leverage the strengths of different cloud providers and adapt to changing business requirements. 5. Automated recovery. Automated disaster recovery workflows can be configured to ensure that in the event of a failure, applications and services are quickly and efficiently restored, minimizing downtime and reducing manual intervention. 6. Application awareness. InfoScale is application aware, meaning it understands the specific requirements and dependencies of applications. This leads to more effective management and recovery of critical applications in a multi-cloud setup. 7. Integration with cloud services. It integrates with various cloud services and platforms, including AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and others, allowing for a seamless experience across different cloud environments. 8. Cost efficiency. By providing high availability and disaster recovery in a multi-cloud environment, InfoScale helps optimize cloud resource utilization, potentially reducing costs associated with downtime and data loss. 9. Compliance and security. InfoScale supports compliance with industry standards and regulations by ensuring that data and applications are protected across multiple cloud environments. It provides features for data encryption and secure data transfer, data protection and disaster recovery with InfoScale. Veritas InfoScale provides robust data protection and disaster recovery solutions. Here's an overview of its features in these areas. Data protection. High availability. InfoScale ensures continuous application uptime through its clustering technology. It provides automated failover capabilities, reducing the risk of downtime. Data backup. It integrates with various backup solutions to ensure that data is consistently backed up. This includes snapshot capabilities for rapid recovery. Replication. InfoScale supports synchronous and asynchronous replication. Synchronous replication ensures that data is mirrored in real time to a remote site, while asynchronous replication handles data transmission in intervals. Disaster recovery automation. Automated orchestration of disaster recovery processes ensures that systems can be quickly restored to a predefined state in case of failure. Disaster recovery. Failover and failback. InfoScale provides automated failover and failback capabilities, allowing systems to switch to a backup site seamlessly and return to the primary site once it's operational. Disaster recovery testing. The solution allows for non-disruptive testing of disaster recovery plans to ensure they work as expected without impacting production environments. Business continuity. It offers continuous data protection and minimizes data loss during outages by maintaining data consistency across multiple sites. Multi-platform support. InfoScale supports various operating systems and platforms, ensuring comprehensive protection and recovery across heterogeneous environments. Integration with cloud. Integration with cloud environments allows for off-site backup and recovery options, enhancing the flexibility of disaster recovery strategies. Key benefits. Reduced downtime, automated failover and recovery minimize service disruptions. Enhanced data security, regular backups and replication ensure data integrity. Scalability, can scale to accommodate growing data protection needs. Flexibility, supports diverse environments and integrates with various backup and storage solutions. Storage management and optimization with InfoScale. InfoScale, formerly known as Veritas InfoScale, is a storage management and optimization solution that focuses on enhancing availability, performance, and scalability across various storage environments. Here's a general overview of how InfoScale addresses these aspects. 1. Storage management. Dynamic storage management. InfoScale provides dynamic volume management that allows you to create, manage, and optimize storage volumes in real time, adapting to changing storage needs and workloads. Automated storage provisioning. It automates the provisioning of storage resources, reducing manual intervention and accelerating deployment processes. Centralized Management Console offers a unified interface for managing storage across diverse environments, including physical, virtual, and cloud infrastructures. 2. Performance optimization. Caching and tiering. InfoScale utilizes caching and tiering techniques to optimize storage performance. It automatically moves frequently accessed data to high-speed storage tiers while less frequently accessed data is moved to lower-cost storage. Load balancing implements intelligent load balancing to distribute storage I/O workloads evenly across available resources, improving performance and reducing bottlenecks. Real-time monitoring and analytics provides tools for real-time monitoring and analytics to identify performance issues and optimize storage configurations accordingly. 3. Availability and disaster recovery. High availability. InfoScale ensures high availability through its clustering and failover capabilities, minimizing downtime and ensuring business continuity. Disaster recovery includes features for disaster recovery planning and execution, such as replication and snapshots, to safeguard data and recover quickly from failures. 4. Scalability. Scalable architecture supports scaling out and scaling up of storage environments to accommodate growing data needs and increasing workloads. Integration with cloud offers integration with cloud storage solutions, allowing you to extend your storage capacity and leverage cloud resources for scalability. 5. Data protection. Backup and recovery. InfoScale provides robust backup and recovery options to protect against data loss and ensure data integrity. Data deduplication and compression reduces storage requirements by eliminating duplicate data and compressing stored data, leading to cost savings and more efficient storage utilization. 6. Automation and orchestration. Policy-based management enables policy-based management for automating routine storage tasks and optimizing resource allocation based on predefined rules. Integration with orchestration tools works with various orchestration tools to streamline storage operations and integrate with broader IT management processes. Why choose ProExcellency for InfoScale online training? Choosing ProExcellency for InfoScale online training could offer several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency likely has experienced instructors with in-depth knowledge of InfoScale, providing high-quality, practical training. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover a wide range of topics, from basic concepts to advanced techniques, ensuring a thorough understanding of InfoScale. Hands-on labs. Practical experience through hands-on labs and real-world scenarios is often part of their training, which helps in applying theoretical knowledge to practical situations. Flexible learning options. Online training from ProExcellency allows you to learn at your own pace and schedule, making it easier to fit into your busy life. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for certification, ProExcellency's training may include preparation for InfoScale certification exams, helping you achieve your professional goals. Support and resources. They often provide additional resources, such as study materials and support from instructors, to enhance your learning experience. Reputation and reviews. ProExcellency may have positive reviews and a strong reputation in the industry for delivering effective and reliable training. Thank you.